Practice English with Minecraft. Block. Block. This is a block. Craft. Craft. I can craft a diamond shovel. Build. Build. I will build a house from blocks. Tool. Tool. I use tools. Dig. Dig. I can dig with a tool. Burn. Attack. Attack. I will attack the monster. Explore. Explore. I will explore the cave. Mine. Mine. I mine for diamond. 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 I see diamond. Cave. Cave. I will explore the cave.
Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is the action? Build.
Or
Mine. Mine. What can you mine? Post in the comments. What is this? Diamond.
or
Cave. Diamond. What do you use to mine diamonds? Post in the comments. What is this? Block.
or
Tool. Block. What is the action? Craft.
or
Attack. Attack. What is the action? Build.
or
Block. Build. What is this? Cave.
or
Diamond. Cave. What can you do in a cave? Post in the comments. What is the action? Explore.
or
Mine. Explore. What is the action? Craft.
or
Dig. Dig. What can you dig for? Post in the comments. What is this? Build.
or
Tool. Tool. What is the action? Craft.
or
Explore. Craft.